to another video. Today I have got another Hoover unboxing. Another eBay purchase, this one I think. Yeah, it should be the vacuum that I ordered. But anyway, we'll open the box, and it is a fairly rare one. It's a newer type Numatic, this one. That's all I seem to buy nowadays is Numatics. So there's the cable. Only got a hose with this one, but you know, handy. I don't even keep hoses. I normally just put them on stuff and sell the hoses. No packaging in this one either. But anyway, here's the machine. It is a Nuvac. It is a 2012 model, and yeah, it's pretty cool if I'm honest. It's all red. You don't really see these a lot nowadays. And it actually looks in pretty good condition if I'm honest. I mean, yeah, it looks really clean. The filter needs a clean obviously, and it smells, but you know, yeah. It's model vnp180-2, and it's the one with the new plug in it as well. So what we suppose we'll do is we'll turn it on quickly. Apparently it does work. It didn't cost me much off eBay. It cost me like 27 quid, which is nothing really. So yeah, do like these little castle top machines. I think these would look better if they had the black wheel caps on them as well, but obviously Numatic put red on them. Just going to try and untangle the cable on this. It's not a rewind model, you just have to put it in the top. It's basically a James, to be fair. That's what this is, it's a James. So yeah, there we go. The cable's fairly untangled now, and we'll plug it in. I'll move the box out the way. So plug it in. On we go. We'll turn it on at the machine because why not? Yeah, he works fine. So just put the hose on, and we'll just give it a quick go. It does actually smell, not burning or anything, it just smells of dirt. So yeah, it's going to need a clean and stuff, but when I do get my get new machines, I do give them a quick wipe over and stuff before I obviously get put onto the shelves, and then they get a full refurb as well. But I've got a massive backlog of collection machines needing refurbs. I've got about 5 including this one now. Actually no, was it 6? I think I've got about 6 I need to refurb for the collection. But yeah, there we go. There's the cable in there, and there is the all red. I think these were limited edition as well. All red limited edition 2012 Nuvac vnp180-1 vacuum. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.